So this is how you can remove paste pop-up on your iPhone. So if you've ever tried to paste something from another app into a certain app, you might get a pop-up saying if you want to accept the paste. Now that can get a little annoying and repetitive, so this is the perfect tutorial for you. You're gonna want to go on ahead and go to the settings app and then go down until you find the app that you want to stop getting the pop-ups from. For example, Messenger, I do get that a lot, and as you can see, we are here. As you can see at the bottom, it says paste from other apps, and I've allowed it. You're gonna want to do this for every app that you want to allow it, and that's basically pretty much it. Now, I'm going to explain what these three buttons mean. So, this is the default, ask. If you paste from another app, it's going to ask you with this, or it's going to have that pop up asking for permission. If you tap on deny, it's going to immediately deny it, and you won't be able to paste from other apps onto this certain app. And if you tap on allow, it's always going to allow it, and it's not going to bother you whether you actually want to paste something or not. And yeah, that's about it. You're gonna have to do this manually for every single app though, because the default one is ask, and I don't think there's a button to make it allow for every single app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Once again, go to a single app, go down until you find paste from other apps, and tap on allow. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.